got a fish on the troll. We're trolling to find some active fish, and then we're gonna stop on them and try some fun stuff. So he doesn't feel too big. Let's get him in real quick. Oh, he came off right there. All right, here's my homemade spoon. Let's see it do work. There's one. I think he's quite big enough. Okay, what I'm finding is you can't anchor on these fish generally. You got to play their little game. They're nomadic and they're always moving. So we got to keep up with them. There we go. This thing casts a mile, so I can hit them way before I even get to the school. So it's working good so far. Got a bunch of schooling striper right here. All right here, right in the middle of them. There's one. Oh, come on. Too many things going on. Oh, there's another one. Sometimes you just gotta give them the old arm bar. Yeah, right there. Woohoo! Woohoo! Gotta get them while it's hot, while they're getting good. They started going all around me. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to get some doubles and stuff. I got two. Oh. Plopper, plopper. If y'all are ever in the Whitney area and you need a good little bait shop, check out Boondocks. This place is where it's at. They got very friendly customer service, good food, and pretty good little tackle selection. So I'm a big fan of these people here at Boondocks.